Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I recently purchased a Cricut like probably a few days ago, and I've been kind of playing around with it. I'm not too familiar with their software yet, but it's kind of close to Canva. If you use Canva, it's going to be easy to kind of figure out Cricut. And the reason I'm starting this vlog today is to kind of give you guys my thought process on the business of where I'm at, what I've been learning, kind of like behind the scenes of everything. And I know some people really admire that because a lot of channels just show like the good of everything, but I want you guys to see the transparency of the good, the bad, the fails, of me maybe trying to create something, just so you know that this is not as easy as people make it seem on YouTube, because a lot of time is taken into making these videos, and you have to create, then you have to edit, then you have to, make a thumbnail, upload that. And I'm a mom of five, you guys, so it's I have to make time to do this because I still work a 9 to 5, but I also want to motivate you guys to let you know that you can do it, because if I can do it, you can do it. And if you start today, you don't know where you may be in a few years. So lately I've been working on stickers because I feel like stickers are like very easy to make based off of the videos that I've been watching. So I went on Creative Fabrica and found some cute little coffee stickers that I really, 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 really love. And I also want to put this on my website when I actually start building my website. I haven't done it yet, so I'm kind of playing around with it, but I have so much in store for this business, you guys. So just please subscribe so that you're able to kind of be on this journey with me. As you're watching this video, like I was where you are right now. Like I was watching so many freaking videos. Like my brain was so overwhelmed with like knowledge. Like, okay. So I just decided to get up and be like, okay, I watched enough. I'm ready to do this. And you have to fail to really know what you're doing wrong so that you can correct it, if you know what I'm saying. So don't get too overwhelmed with all of this knowledge that's on YouTube. Go and try, try to make something. So again, like I was saying before, I had to like go into my iPad to finish up my project until I called tech support to kind of figure out why my computer won't connect Bluetooth. Now it'll connect with the wire, but just fucking Bluetooth. I don't know, you guys, but it's not working. So make sure you change the quality of your prints to best. Trust me, it's gonna come out way better. But this is the sticker paper that I've been using. I really like it, so I'm not gonna fix it if it ain't broke, as they say. This is sped up. This printer is slow, and anything in high quality is gonna print slow. But they came out so cute. I don't know. I don't know why I just did that, but just. And these are the premium sticker paper that I got, and I'm gonna show you like what it came with. Look at the sparkles. Did it again, but yes, look at the sparkles. I love sparkles. Now I'm not gonna create all my stickers and bookmarks in sparkle just because I like sparkles, but I'm gonna do some like in plain laminate too. But it's just hard not to have a sparkle bookmark or a sparkle sticker. It just makes it look so much. But look at the hearts. And so I decided to go with the stars to cover up the coffee stickers. And I'm not working with a lot of space, you guys. Like I had to buy this desk. I'm gonna do a video of my work area, but I had to buy a desk from IKEA and to kind of put like an L shape to put together, and it's not big enough because once I get my heat presses and everything, I'm gonna need a lot more space. And I'm working out of my kid's bedroom, you guys, so you don't have to have, you know, work with what you got. That's all I got to say. Now I'm about to like prep it for the Cricut, and you have to have a light grip mat for stickers. Trust me, I tried to put it on a standard grip and it was ripping the stickers off. It didn't come out right. Just trust me, learn from me. Do not put it on a standard. Dang, I wish I would have recorded it, how it just came out. Oh my God. I was like taking my time, have to peel the backing off of my mat. It was a mess. But this is like the part I love. It's like ripping the sticker paper off. And when the cut comes out so perfect, it's like, oh, you know what I'm talking about. Light shines down. It's like, I'm done, right? But it came out so pretty, you guys. And again, just subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing these vlogs and these DIYs. And I'm going to be very transparent on this channel so that you guys can know that you're not the only one and you can do it too. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.